year again while school starts and your teacher gives you some school supply list. So me and my mom, we received a school supply list and we thought, okay, we have it. So let's buy all the supplies on the list. But before we went, we thought, okay, we'll go, but all of this coronavirus and COVID-19, nah, so we thought, why don't we, switch up things. So we did, and we started online shopping. And don't forget, the Labor Day sale is on again. And the best part about this video is that me and my mom are going to show you some online websites. Wow! That's like an online super fantastic thing. So let's get started. The first thing on the list is Target.
So let's start with Target. So as everybody knows, Target is the best place to shop for so many things that we use in our day-to-day life. So I've checked categories, deals, and what's new on this website and the same day delivery option. So if we want the things to be delivered on the same day, we can choose this method. So I go back to the home page again and I click on the link which says school, and there I land on the page which says lower prices and great deals. And I can also pick them up today. And school supplies with a variety of notebooks, highlighters, folders, binders, pencils, pens, markers, glues, and dry erasers, and again the tech tools, backpacks, and do not forget the clothes. Yeah, but I personally like Target because it's like a single stop for so many things. So the second one is Walmart.com. So I go to the link which says school and I browse through the website for all the school supplies. There I see the backpack and the calculators, crayons, and the notebooks. So yep, I can also filter the items based on the brand. So yeah, it's a typical e-commerce website. So just browsing through the website. And what else do they have? Let me just check for the other options as well. It says shop by grade, shop by category, home learning. I think I need, let me just check the website completely. I'm just browsing through the page. I do see so many items that are listed on the website, and yep, I think that should work. Shop all. And I think this is the page where I can browse the things that I want to. So I see binders, markers, so that's Walmart. Amazon is the third one on my list. Being one of the best e-commerce websites, let's check what Amazon is offering this season. I clicked on the school shopping link and I'm browsing through the pages. Still browsing. It's got boys clothing, girls clothing, electronics, and school supplies guide. That's what I was looking for. So I clicked on the school link, and these guys have grouped their supplies as pencils, notebooks, art and crafts, and backpacks, accessories, and many more. That's Amazon, guys. Best Buys. Since most of the students have opted for online option, in my opinion, this is one of the best stop. You can shop for laptops, Chromebooks, and electronics on this website. And let's just check if this website is offering any deals for the students. And that's it, student deals. All the laptops are listed over there. Shop deals by category, and yes, I see deals for the students. Yep. Coming to Old Navy, when was the last time that we shopped for our kids? Specifically clothes. I think this is the right time, and Old Navy is here for our rescue. They have offers store-wide, be it kids clothing or parents clothing. And same with LL Bean. Check the website, and if you find something, you can purchase it.
Thank you for watching this video, my friends, and for more such videos, please share and subscribe. Bye bye for now.